Hello everyone, my name is Leela Krishna. Today I'm about to uh, talk about the assignment on Zomato Review Trend Analysis. And yeah, in this project, this is my working directory. I uploaded it in GitHub, and I'll provide the link also. And yeah, so in the first step, I took the data from I'm fetching the reviews using the what is a Google Play scraper, which is publicly available, and so this is what I'm using, and in this I'm using this particular part to get the reviews of Zomato, and in this this is the format of the format of the output we get from scraper. And yeah, from there the scraped this the data will be divided into groups of dates, and yeah, it will be turned into batches of according to the date. And once this step is done, the next step will be topic extraction, where topics of the reviews were extracted using LLM. The chart model used is GPT 4o Mini, and the topic output names were not any longer than 16, so I took the token output limit of 20. And I used a less temperature of 0. 0.2 because I did not want the model to get creative and give completely new words for the topic, so that it will be easier for grouping the similar topics later. And from there, after that, yeah, for daily top for every day, topic wise are sent to the LLM response. I can also show you the logs of the LLM. Yeah, this is how the LLM gets the response, and this is LLM output. And yeah, that is it is about. If you want, I can also show you one of these. So let's see this. So this is the what user sends to what my code sends to the LLM. So this review will, and then there will be a prompt saying extract the concise topic label, and then it will be and it will assistant will be giving the label. Yeah, and you can see, and I ran it in Google Colab for because of the storage constraints, and yeah, I fetched about 3,900 reviews, and it was only between these 4 days, 24 to 29. It was taking a lot of time to scrape, so I set it to these to a few dates only. In these few dates, the 3,000 a total of 3,900 reviews were scraped, and yeah, and you can see all the 3,900 were sent to LLM, and were yeah, output was given to the labels. And yeah, now the next step is after extraction, then comes the clustering. And in clustering, what I'm doing is I'm embedding the reviews using the OpenAI text embedding small, this embedding model. And with this embedding model, I am I'm embedding the vector reviews into vectors, and then seeing the see topics. I'm embedding the topic names, and I'm seeing how close they are using cosine distance, and with cosine similarity I used a threshold of zero point 0.8. And from there, after clustering is done, the next step is trend analysis. In trend analysis, essentially I'm building a table where as required in the as mentioned in the assignment, in this format the topic and the date wise report is made. So once that report is yeah, that is the and I'll also show you the report the one I generated. So through clustering, okay, I'm not sure why it is arranged, but Yeah, so we can see from 24 to 29, and these are the topics. And yeah, as I already mentioned, there were like total of 3,900 reviews, and out of the 3,900 reviews, and the clustering got me clustering with a zero point 0.8 similarity score threshold gave me and reduced those 3,900 to almost 890 or something. Yeah, around 830. What do you say? Topics, and in this, as you can see, uh, this is how the head looks like. Yeah, this is the output of my project, and yeah, that's all about it. I also made a detailed readme file for this, and yeah, the yeah, that's all. So this is the end-to-end demo for my Zomato Review Trends project, and this pipeline is also modular, and can be extended to analyze any different app on Play Store, not just Zomato. So yeah, we can just swap the date ranges in a configuration file. So what all can be changed, I'll set it in a single file config. So here we can change the app name and the dates, and yeah, while displaying we can set the dates or from what part and how many days we want. So we can just fetch the all like 2 years of reviews, and then we can just set from when to where we want to see the trends here. And yeah, this is a output file. We can switch the model, embedding model, and similarity results all in the same place. Yeah, yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.